If it's lecture, I say to kids, listen, I'm going to talk for, 8 minutes about what we're going to be doing today. So let's turn ourselves into rows, not touching each other, not looking at each other, because right now you got to be able to tune into this. I know you don't want to hear me lecture, but you got to tune in for 8 minutes. So I'm going to set up the environment that way. When I want conversation, I want you turning and facing in small groups. Doesn't mean kids are moving around. Yeah, but you know what? That's actually a good thing. So they turn around and face each other. What I don't want to do is to have kids sitting in pods and then telling them not to talk, because they will. And we know it. We all go to conferences, professional development. We sit at round tables, and while somebody's talking at the front, we're talking to each other. It's just normal. It's human behavior.